मेरी तमाम पूरे वोटर से, इलेक्टोरेट से मेरी दरमंदाना अपील है, उनसे गुजारिश है, अर्नेस्ट रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो प्लीज़ निकल कर अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करिए और अपनी पसंद और नापसंद का इजहार करिए। ये इलेक्शन हमारे वतन अजीज़ का सबसे अहम पार्लियामेंट्री इलेक्शन है, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग वोट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, वतन अजीज़ को बचाएंगे, मजबूत रखेंगे, लोकतंत्र को मजबूत रखेंगे, जमहूरियत को मजबूत करेंगे। और अगर हमको भरोसा है जमहूरियत में, तो सबसे ज़्यादा उसका बेहतरीन सबूत ये देना है कि आप निकल कर अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करिए। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इंशाअल्लाह सब लोग निकल कर अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और आज देख रहे हैं कि कल से भी खुदा की कुदरत बोलिए कि मौसम भी थोड़ा गर्मी में कमी आई है, तो अब तो आपको निकल कर सबको अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल पूरे तेलंगाना में, हैदराबाद में, आंध्रा में।
So how do you think the elections been going so far? How different is it than 2019?
Every election
इंडिया टीवी थोड़ा नीचे कर लो यार।
cannot be the same as what it was 5 years ago. The challenges are different, the issues are different, and of course this is a very important historical parliamentary election in our country. And the issues are not what they were in 2019. It is completely different issues, completely different objective, and people also have a different understanding and what they want for this country as compared to 2019.
So would you say this is a tough fight for you? Would you say this is a tough fight for you? 1984 से MIM के पास ये सीट है. Do you think that this is going to be a tough fight for you?
टीवी 9 नीचे कर ले यार थोड़ा।
देखिए इलेक्शन जो होता है ना, चाहे
टीवी 9
किसी
नीचे
से
कर
भी
ले, बिल्कुल
मुकाबला
ऊपर चढ़ा
हो,
करना।
उसको सीरियसली आपको लेना पड़ता है। यू हैव टेक एवरी इलेक्शन सीरियसली, वेदर इट्स अ म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन, पंचायत इलेक्शन, जिला परिषद, असेंबली, पार्लियामेंट। Election is election. You know, you don't have this comfort of even blinking. So you'll have to take your every opponent, whether it is X, Y, Z, whatever it is, and then work hard, which we have done and which has always helped us in winning this seat. And hopefully around this time also, I'm sure that with the blessings of people and faith in Almighty Allah, we will be successful and will win with the same majority.
Any message for Prime Minister? Any message for Prime Minister Modi? Sir, as BJP says they're going to remove 4% quota. That's their main focus here in Hyderabad. Any message for the BJP and Prime Minister?
The message would be, people would be people who do not agree with the BJP's ideology, people who do not agree with the venomous statements that the Prime Minister has given about one particular minority community and non-performance of his government. And please understand that, please understand one important thing. What Mr. Modi had done with Agniveer, he is now going to go ahead and do it if he comes back in power with BSF, with CRPF, with Railway Protection Force and SSB. 4 years of service, you're out. Because if he has done this for the army, he will definitely do it for CRPF, SSB, BSF, and all paramilitary forces, and along with RPF. So this people must understand. It has not come out. It will come out very soon.
आपको क्या लगता है कि माधुरी लता कितना बड़ा कॉम्पिटिटर है इस बार?
क्या है, किन मुद्दों पर लोगों को निकलकर वोट करना चाहिए? काफी हमने देखा, काफी आरोप प्रत्यारोप लगते रहे, काफी कमनल भी हुआ।
नहीं, सबसे अहम बात यह है कि अगर आपको भारत की जमहूरियत में, लोकतंत्र में भरोसा है और आप भारत से मोहब्बत करते हैं और आप भारत को ताकतवर रूप में देखना चाहते हैं, आप भारत को ऐसा मुल्क देखना चाहते हैं जहां पर गरीबों की, मजलूमों की आवाज़ सुनी जाए और गरीबों की से इंसाफ हो, नौजवानों को रोज़गार मिले, आप सब लोग, आपके दिलों में एक सेफ्टी का एहसास पैदा हो जाए, तो अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करिए।
Madhulata calls herself the face of Hindutva. What would you call yourself?
I am the face of Indian nationalism.
Five national issues you're seeking vote for today.
I've already said it, but I don't want to get into this trap of appealing for vote on the day of polling when the campaigning.
What are your five national issues?
No, there are many issues. See, what I feel people of India should understand, especially the youth, the Narendra Modi government has done what they have done with the Indian Army recruitment with Agniveer. They will definitely, if Mr. Modi comes back in power, he will replicate the same scheme for CRPF, SSB, Railway Protection Force, BSF. Because if that is done for the army, which goes and stands at the borders and protect the country and us and the Indian citizens, he will definitely do this, because 4 year service, you are out.
They claim that only the cream is chosen. They claim that the cream is chosen.
So the same argument will be given.
Secret
So
alliance
see, if this can be done for the army, why wouldn't this government do it, which we don't want? Now can you imagine at the age of 22, 23, the youth is unemployed after having done 4 years.
But they get benefits after 4 years.
What benefit? There is no benefit. There is no pension, no medical, no education. Nothing is there. So this is what I'm appealing to the youth of India. Please understand this. अब उसको हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ कि मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ इस मुल्क के युवाओं को, जो इस देश की आबादी का 50% हिस्सा है, जो हमारे देश का मुस्तकबिल है और जिनके कंधों पर इस देश को चलाने की जिम्मेदारी आएगी। मोदी सरकार ने